Just imagine that our body is a giant stage, and each cell is a star in the spectacle of life. This controlled dance is called the cell cycle. But beware! Sometimes some cells decide to abandon the established steps and go rebel. What happens when these cells decide to dance to their own beat? That is when the villain of our story enters the scene: cancer. To begin with, we must understand that each of our cells complies in a process in which cells divide and reproduce themselves in a controlled manner. Cells normally go through different stages of the cell cycle, including the growth phase, DNA replication, and cell division. The first stop is the G1 phase, also known as the growth phase. At this stage, it is as if the cells are preparing for the dance, increasing their size and accumulating the necessary resources for the next act. That is, if they were stretching their muscles and warming up for the big event. After G1, we get to the S phase. This is where cells get to work and duplicate their DNA. Once the S phase is complete, we move to the G2 phase, which we could call the preparation phase. Here, cells take a moment to review the choreography, making sure everything is in order before the big event of cell division. And finally, we can come to the M phase, the phase of mitosis. This is when cell splits into two, giving life to new cells and ensuring that the cell show continues. We can now see that the cell cycle is like a perfectly choreographed dance in which each step is executed at the right time and in harmony with the rest of the dancers. However, in the case of cancer, this regulation of the cell cycle would be like some dancers deciding to dance in an uncoordinated way and without respecting the established steps. And these rebellious dancers would be cancer cells.